Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel Aaron B. Cruz. Today I'll be showing you on how to install Windows Server in your VirtualBox. But first, where do you get VirtualBox? Well, you have to go to a website called oraclevirtualbox.com. In this website, this is where you can download the Oracle VirtualBox in order for you to install your Windows Server. The download area is right on this tab. Here is only selected to a few devices where you can only download your VirtualBox on a certain device. Once you have finished downloading the VirtualBox and successfully installing it onto your device, let's move on to the Windows Server. But first, where do you get the Windows Server? You have to go to the website in the Microsoft.com. But there's a catch. Here, this is where you find the Windows Server download. Once you're here, click on Download iOS. But this is the catch. You have to fill out a form in order for you to get the download sequence to initiate to get the Windows Server. Once you have filled out your form, this is where you're gonna download the iOS Windows Server. Once your Windows Server iOS download is complete, let's move on to your fully installed Oracle VirtualBox. Now, this is where we're gonna set up our Windows Server. Let's click on New, and then let's type in whatever name you want for your Windows Server, but I will keep it as a base name, Windows. But you don't have to put your Windows Server iOS immediately, because we're gonna do some additional tinkering before we proceed onto that. Once you have finished setting this all up, click on Finish. Next, let's click on Settings, and this is where we're gonna do some tinkering. Once you're there, click on Storage, and then click on the empty and click on this icon. This is where you're gonna put your Windows Server iOS. Click on that, and then choose a disk, and find your downloaded server right over here. Once that's input, once you have successfully input your Windows Server iOS, let's go to the network. Here, if you want an internet for your Windows Server within the VirtualBox, just change to attached to from now to bridge adapter. Once that's done, click on OK. Once you have finished setting up for your Windows Server, click on Start. This is gonna take a while. Once you're here, click on Next. But before you move on to the next, click on any language that you prefer that you can read. Once you have selected your preferred language, you may proceed to the next. And then click Install Now. Once you're here, click on Next. I forgot to mention you have to click at the way bottom of the Windows Server database. Once you're here, make sure you have a lawyer with us. I don't know if you want to be a lawyer. But if you don't want to read the term of service, just click on I accept the licensing. Click on Next, and then click on Custom, and then click on Next. And then we'll have to wait till the installation process completes. Once you're here, type in your desired password, but I'm gonna keep it simple. There you go. And then click on finish. Oh. Then let's try that again. There you go. They don't like simple passwords. Okay, once you reach here, you cannot use your keyboard onto this virtual machine. That's why we're gonna use the devices. No, not devices, keyboard. And then click Insert Alt Key Delete. Once you click that, type in your password. There you go. And there you go. And here we're gonna wait for the server manager to open. And there you go. Here I have to turn off the IPv6 within the local server right over here because it's for the safety reasons, in my opinion, of course. Click on here, but you can do this too if you feel unsafe, just in case. But for me, it's really unsafe for me. Click properties and then turn off IPv6. There you go, and then click OK. Then close that. Next is go to add roles. Next, click on role based, and then select on that, and then next, and click on active domain services, add features, and then click on DNS, add features. Continue, and then click on next, and then next, and then next, and then next. Turn forward. Once that's done, click install, or just click and install, and let's wait. This is gonna take a while. Once the installation progress is complete, click on this server promote or promote server. Click on add new forest and input your name for your server. Once that's done, click on next. Type in your password. Leave these two alone. Click on next.
Tanggalin mo yung plastic yan, Ben. Yung maliit.
Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Now, Once all the prerequisite checks are passed, click to install. This installation progress it may take a while. Now, once the installation is complete, click on close. This will reset your Windows server. I mean reset, restart. It'll take a while. Let's click on the keyboard and then insert Ctrl Alt Del. Put our password. And then let's wait for the Windows to open. There you go. Server Manager is opening. And there you have it. Hang on. Let's wait for to finish that. Well, there you have it. Wait, hang on. There. Now, really, there you have it. You have fully successfully set up a Windows server for your Windows. Thank you for watching, and my name is Gabriel Aaron B. Cruz, and thank you for watching this tutorial. Bye-bye, and happy holidays.